Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today I just want to share with you a story when I was working in the pharmacy, which is another job I do as well. Two youngsters came in. Like when I mean young, I mean teenagers, late teenagers, a girl and a boy. And the guy was, a good looking fella, however very shy, and you could tell that his confidence was a bit broken. He couldn't explain himself, but his girlfriend asked that was there treatment in the pharmacy that could help his acne and his skin. I assessed his face and I could see there was a breakout of acne, and he started to speak and said that he's tried everything over the counter and nothing's worked so far, and he's been trying for years, and he's really affected by this whole situation. His girlfriend clearly wanted this to clear up as well. So he said, is there anything else in the pharmacy that I could try? So I took him over to the skin section, a normal UK pharmacy, what they stock, and I showed him the various products, and he had tried everything, benzo peroxide therapy, etc, etc, and he said he's tried it all. So I just clearly, point blank, told him, listen, there's nothing in the pharmacy, you've tried everything, and most of it's not effective because over-the-counter products haven't really been tested. They can't really make claims to treat acne. Number two, they lack the delivery system, so the active ingredient doesn't really get to the target of action. I said to him, listen, if you really want to be helped, I think you need a medical skin grade product. And he said, what's that? And I explained to him, it's prescription based product that is prescribed by a clinician who specializes in skin, and these products have been tested to an extent, and they contain products and ingredients that actually have an effective delivery system that can penetrate the actual target site where the ingredient needs to get to in the depth of the skin. It can penetrate the different layers and get to where it needs to get to have an effect. He said, okay, so could you give me a name or the name of the product? I said to him, yeah, the system that you need for acne, one system is Obagi Medical. The system is called Clenziderm, and this is a specific system for treating acne. He said, where can I get it from? And because I was working in the pharmacy, which is separate to the aesthetics clinical work I do, I didn't want to give my details because I wanted to keep the advice impartial. So this is how much I believe in the product. I said to him, here's a product, go and find it, find a practitioner or clinician or clinic that prescribes this this treatment and this brand. I'm sure it will definitely be effective for you. He was very thankful, and he was quite excited to find this discovery, and off he went. But my point is, guys, this is just one example, and this story just brought to my attention, how frustrating, people can get, how it can affect people's confidence. And I just want people to know that with acne, there is light in the tunnel. There is a way out. You might have tried everything over the counter, but there are other effective solutions. Okay, guys. So if you're interested, knowing more, feel free to book a free online consultation. Thank you very much, guys.